I am Ganesh Sakhare, founder of Visimaster. Welcome to Farming Now. There is one machine for fasteners. We have 3 cameras and we added eddy current to check the hardness of the component, and we are checking head crack and other thing with the speed of 400 to 500 parts per minute, and it will sort it in okay and not okay according to our requirements. We founded Varad Automation and Robotics Private Limited Company, which operates under a brand name of Visimaster in 2013. And from 2013, we are working in only machine vision system, and we have a very prestigious customers where we given lot of innovative products to them. We have given machines in plastic, in fasteners, in rubber components, in bearing components, and in defense also. So this is the total range of components we inspect